Hi, it's Magic Monkey.
We started the Foldio to make a simple studio for everyone. Thanks to you guys, people all around the world are using the Foldio for their product photography.
Today we will introduce our new project, Folio 3.
The size has increased approximately 2 times from Foldio 2. The Foldio 3 is the bigger and better solution for your product photography. For Foldio 3, we invented a new design to upgrade the size and portability. The Foldio 3 also comes as a magnetic structure, making it easy for everyone to use. The lighting device of the Foldio 3 is redesigned for better performance. The triple LED lighting is more powerful than before, helping to decrease shadows more efficiently. We've created an additional lighting device, the halo bar, which can be used with the Foldio 3 to improve lighting conditions. Attach the halo bars to the Foldio 3, then control additional lighting, or you can use the halo bars only to create a totally different atmosphere. Now start creating more amazing photos with the Foldio 3. The perfect studio for your product photography. It's the solution to upgrade your photos for your hobby, website, or workplace. Don't forget, you can use the Foldio 360 with the Foldio 3 to create 360 images of your products.
Please help us make this product.
Thanks for supporting us.